Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm wearing my brand new helmet, the Bell Transfer. And yes, let's get straight into it. Today we will be riding at night and trying to fill the up Eric styles. I mean, it's not fully night, but it is almost night. See you on my visor. Okay, so yeah, now we're trying to get off of these goofy type stairs. What the hell are these stairs? And yes, there is a ramp, but it's even worse than the stairs. This for real sucks. Okay, see you when we're down. Bye. Okay, yeah, so we're now heading over here. It's pretty nicey, you know. I mean, it's the sun has almost set. Today has been a pretty good day because I finally finished my gear. I now have both the goggles and the actual helmet. And yeah, I guess that's really cool. I also have my filming gear, so the videos from now on are like fully complete. This is when you can say I actually started my career with Health Eric. So nothing happened. Eric just stopped there for no reason. I don't get it why. But still, this helmet is like really comfortable. Oh, these road cyclists are not going on the road, but they were going pretty fast. Eric's in next to me, so yeah, it's really nice riding at night. I don't think I've ever made a video like riding at night time, but that was because I did the footage but didn't do anything. I did more night rides, but I didn't post them. But this one I actually want to post. Sadly, Eric won't be here this weekend, so no videos with him. But what the hell are these guys doing? They're both riding a Kukirin G2. That's pretty stupid, if I can say so. Like, actually, that's really stupid. But now I actually seem way more tall because you're actually mounted to my visor, and you're basically like to the peak of my vision. It's way better. I already tested this, but with a different helmet. I think this is a bit lower overall than the other video. I also want to get a chin mount, but haven't found the specific one for this helmet yet. Also, shout out to some guy. I don't know what his name is right now. I know he was like Modded Moto or something like that. He's a pretty cool guy. Thank you for subbing, my man. I don't know what's your name now, but I'll heart every single comment you put. So yeah. I'm also recording with the DJI mic Mini, and yeah, I really like this filming setup over here. And yeah, we also need to get Eric's tire pumped up, and also I don't know, I should take off my goggles because it's night, and these are basically sun goggles. You can't really ride with them at night. That's pretty stupid. So yeah, I think it looks way better than my old look, the black mask with normal helmet, and what's more important is that it's way safer. Like, that wasn't safe at all. The reason why I got a full face helmet is because right after I did the last video where I was compared, I went to like something like this, and there was mud over here. Not this exact street, but there was mud. Somebody pressed me on a G2 Master very quick. It's a very quick scooter. It's a Kukirin G2 Master that goes like, I don't know, 85 or something, and I slammed on the brakes, and only my front brakes work, and so like I was launched over the handlebars and started rolling because I braked very powerfully, you know, and that guy basically got in front of me like a stupid idiot that he was. So yeah, this is why I now have a full face helmet, which is actually way better for my safety and also looks way better if you ask me. I don't know, you should tell me what do you think looks better in the comments. So yeah. we're now using Super Night mode on the DJI. I'm curious if I can see a difference. I'll put down some text over there if I see a difference. Yeah, also we still gotta go and fix Eric's tire. As I said, he has a flat. I don't know if I said that. As I said, there are a lot of videos that I don't post, mainly because there are things I already did, are just very stupid, or just they aren't worth posting. Like, I have like 6 edited videos that I didn't post. Just, I don't know why, I just didn't post them. But if you would like for me to post them, you should probably comment, and I'll post them, just so you know they won't be way more repetitive and boring than the videos that I actually post on this channel. This video will be posted because I want to show you guys my new helmet. Also, you will have some pics of the helmet at the end of the video if you're curious. So yeah, why the hell didn't that guy let me pass? I was stupid as hell. So yeah, I'll roll the next clip when we're at the gas station and we're filling up Eric's tire. We have Eric's G2 Pro here, and then we also have the pump. We'll take this. Take English. We need to find the secret valve over here. Whoa, this tire is really. Okay, we're filling up Eric's tire. Now we're heading home. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, blah blah blah. And shout out to the guy that's always in my comments, which I don't actually know, but he seems like a cool guy. So subscribe.